You question? Can you imagine how did it happen that the seal of the Commonwealth is with me? 66 nations plus 1. Iyan ang kakampi ni Queen. Kalangitan, kailaliman, at ang kapatagan. Ang 66 plus 1 nation na yan are the superpowers dahil nakadikit kay Queen. Ngayon sasabihin nyo, mag-eleksyon kayo? It's not Trump. Trump is dealing with the royal family. And Trump has no right to declare global reset because the American citizenry and the government of America, malaki ang utang sa royal family ng Commonwealth monarchy. And that is dudikal yun. Please, open your eyes and open your heart. Betrayal to this country, Malaysia and Philippines are considered as one. Dahil wala ang Pilipinas, wala ang Malaysia. Walang Malaysia kung walang Pilipinas. This is a symbiotic relationship. That's why the program of Allah, of our elders, of our forefathers, kailangan magtagpo kami ni Raja Mamay. This is not my doing, hindi ito akin lang. So ngayon, the incumbent president of the Philippines is Ferdinand Idrolin Marcos Sr. He is alive and he has inked all his signatures in May, and this is covered by the entire world. And you people, if you will continue, nga kayo, wala kayong pera. Whoever defies the